Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hello everyone, my name is Tanti Nursifananta. You can call me Nadia. My ID number is card 2024-32-101. Okay, today I would like to present my web programming practicum project called by Lab Inventory, laboratory inventory management system built use PHP Native, MySQL and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the interface, and this system implement the database connection, full CRUD function, and a multi-user concept based and role based access. Okay, the database consists the three main table. First, the user table, which is store login, credential, and role of each account, either admin of user. And second, the barang table. We can sorry, we can like this admin. And third, the pinjaman table, which is the store the borrowing transaction. This table connect the user table and the barang table through foreign key and representing the relationship between who borrow what item. And the status of each borrowing transaction has four possible value: pending, approved, reject, and return. Okay, we can see this database. Okay, we can see this and this. Software engineer, intelligent computing, and program and workshop. Okay, next about we can this index.php like this. Okay, the the index page or the landing page, the website, it display the title of the system and short describe about laboratory does and a login button, direct user and authentication. And I also add the three feature code represent the laboratory software, like software engineering, intelligent computing, and program workshop. Okay, the website like this. Next, about login page. This login form when user enter their username and password, and the system implement a multi-user feature using a role base. And if the account role is admin, and the system redirect the user for the admin PHP and the admin dashboard. If the account role is user, the system redirect to user.php and the practical in dashboard. Okay, we can this try my username. Sorry. Okay, let's try. Okay, this is the user about user. This is we can the input the tambah barang, jumlah stock, and what the I choose the software lab SA or IC and program and workshop. Okay, we can do like this. Yeah, terhapus and delete, and we can. mm, Just jumlah stok gas. Then this is the program and workshop simpan data. This user about admin. And when we choose the it's a warm password like this. I I I input the warm password like this. It, there is the gagal login and username or password. Okay, I I will the input like user. I choose this and sorry. Okay, this. Okay, this is about the user. User not sorry. User not cannot like accessed by like admin. Okay. When the input validation is handled using the JavaScript to check the empty file and sweet alert to display error message. And if the login fails, for example, wrong username and password, the system show all without reloading or redirecting the page, so the user experience stays smooth. And the for security, password are not stored the plain text because I use the PHP password underscore hash. The function encrypt password with bcrypt and password verify to check the password during login. Okay, next about admin dashboard. Admin dashboard, I this sorry, admin dashboard. Okay, eh, okay. This page is only accessible to the admin or their laboratory assistant. If someone tries to access this page without logging in or log in with a not permitted admin role, and the system automatically redirect them back to the login page. And this is the check through PHP session on every page load. And the admin dashboard has three main features. First, add item like this. And second, master data catalog. And third, like this. Okay, the admin can be approved the request like the status change, approve the item stock and automatically reduce by one, and reject the request like the status change to reject it and mark as return. This is the status change, the return and stock will automatically increase by one again. Next about practical dashboard like Akbar. This is Nadia, uh, where admin and Akbar like user. And this is the password. This is the practical dashboard. This is the only accessible to a participant or regular user. And the similar the admin page, underrated the access automatically redirect to the login page and has to show two sections. Practicant can only view the list of available items. They cannot edit or delete any data. And second, the borrow feature, like each item has a borrow button. When pressed, the system record a new transaction with the status pending, waiting for the lab assistant proof. And if our item stock is zero, the borrow button automatically disable. So it's easy the can we click, and this also the borrow history table and showing the all transaction many by currently logged in practicing and along with their current status. Next, about security summary, like password and encryption using bcrypt hasting, and all database query use private statement to prevent SQL injection. Every protected by check the session the rule before getting across. And session destroy is called probably when a user logout. Okay. The the now I can um like uh describe about this code. Database connection, config in PHP, connects.php, and connect to MySQL using MySQL DA. And also start the PHP section, use from the truck, the mm, s- and the login process, check the username and password using the prepare this password with password verify since all passwords are stored by crypt hashtags, not plain text, and based on the rule, the user is directly to either the admin or user dashboard. And role-based access every protected page like admin.php and user.php and check the section of the okay and share SCRUD operation like adding a time, approve, and rejecting and return. Like item or the handle is separate file inside the process or folder and using prepare statement for security approve and returning item use database transaction and delete validation front end and styling. Okay, uh, you can see my code like this, and that's all my presentation. Thanks for attention. Uh, thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.